Imagine your team spends 6 months building a product, and just before launch, the customer says, "This is not what I wanted." Sounds painful, right? That exact problem is why Agile became so important. In the next 4 minutes, I'll explain what Agile is, its key ideas, how it works in practice, and how it compares to Waterfall in the simplest way possible. Agile is a way of working that helps team build products in small steps, gets frequent feedback, and improve continuously. Instead of planning everything upfront and hoping it works, Agile says build a little, test a little, learn a little, improve a little. In simple words, Agile means being flexible, collaborative, and focused on delivering value quickly. Agile exists because in real projects things change. Customers change their minds, markets shift, technology evolves, and teams discover new information while building. So instead of resisting change, Agile says expect change, adapt quickly, and deliver value continuously. If someone asks what are Agile's rules, the best answer is its 4 core values from the Agile Manifesto. These values guide how Agile teams think and behave. First, individuals and interactions over processes and tools. People and collaboration matter more than rigid systems. Second, working software over comprehensive documentation. Deliver something useful, not just documents. Third, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Keep talking to the customer, not just following some paperwork. And fourth, responding to change over following a plan. Plans are helpful, but adaptability is powerful. Agile also has 12 principles, but for beginners, you can remember them as 5 simple ideas. First, deliver value early and often. Don't wait months, show progress quickly. Second, welcome changing environments. Even late changes can improve the product. Third, work closely as one team. Business and technical people collaborate frequently. Fourth, build in short cycles and keep improving. This reduces risks and builds momentum. And fifth, reflect regularly and adapt after each cycle. Ask what worked, what didn't, and what should improve next. Now let's look at how Agile usually works in practice. A common Agile framework is Scrum. It starts with a product backlog, which is a prioritized list of work. Next is sprint planning, where the team decides what to build next. Then comes the sprint, usually 1 to 4 weeks of focused work. During the sprint, the team has a short daily stand-up to stay aligned. At the end, there is a sprint review, where the team shows the work and gets feedback. Then comes the retrospective, where the team improves how they work. After that, the cycle repeats. That's Agile in action. Plan small, build fast, learn quickly, and improve constantly. Now let's compare Agile with Waterfall. Waterfall is linear. You finish one phase completely before starting the next. Requirements, design, development, testing, and release. Agile is iterative. You work in short cycles, deliver small pieces, collect feedback, and improve as you go. In simple terms, Waterfall says plan everything first, when Agile says start smart, learn fast, and adapt often. Here's the easiest way to remember the difference. Waterfall works best when requirements are fixed and predictable. Agile works best when change is likely and fast feedback matters. Waterfall is more rigid. Agile is more flexible. Waterfall delivers late. Agile delivers early and often. Waterfall learns at the end. Agile learns throughout the journey. So if I had to define Agile in one sentence, it would be this. Agile is a flexible way of working where teams deliver value in small increments, get frequent feedback, and continuously improve. Remember this simple formula. Agile equals collaboration plus iteration plus feedback plus adaptation. In next video, we'll understand how Agile is different from Scrum.